Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Alex and I want to talk about this video. It's one of my videos showing ridiculous tools used to repair my smartphone. So let's just play this. It doesn't have any kind of loud sound, so we are going to be able to talk about it. The idea is pretty simple. You have a smartphone. Nowadays smartphones are full of glass. Smartphone drops down, you have to repair it because the glass obviously breaks, and you have three options to be honest. You send it back to the manufacturer and they are going to ask you for, I think, more than you paid for the device just to repair it. You can go to local repair shops, and they are going to charge you with a decent amount of money. I don't know, for a smartphone like this one, it's a Samsung Galaxy J6 2018. I think they are going to charge you about $50-60 to change your screen, and if it breaks, look at just like this is totally breaked. And the last option is do it yourself, just like on this video. I did this myself, and I did it with, look at this, a putty knife. Hair dryer, putty knife, such a ridiculous tools, but they are to be honest, they are really good for our purpose today. We are going to talk about the right to repair. Right to repair is not something we see on CNN. We don't see talk shows. We don't see important people talking about it. It is starting to catch wings, if we can say it like that, in the United States. But right here in Europe, in Eastern Europe, things are not, nobody knows about it, and we are going to also be affected when it's going to be implemented. When these laws are going to change, if they are going to change in the way the manufacturer try to pull the strings in that direction, we are going to be totally screwed. Okay, let's talk about this right to repair. If you buy a smartphone, let's take the smartphone example, and you break it, you have to have the right to repair it yourself, no, or to repair it to a local shop. But nowadays manufacturers try to squeeze any possibility to make a profit, so they are not going to, they don't want to sell the components, the parts needed for the repair, to anyone else, to third-party shops, even to users that already bought the smartphone. We might end up buying new stuff just because manufacturers don't wanna sell their components anymore. It's obvious, if we are going to have the only possibility to fix our devices to manufacture, they are going to charge more than the actual device price. It's already happening. I remember, I think 5 years ago, I bought a Chinese phone. They have headquarters in Eastern Europe, and I also had to change the display and the touch screen, so the glass and the touch screen, and the phone was I think $100, and they asked me to repair this phone. I think about $150 with shippings, fees and stuff like that. Yeah, because they do not sell their components to third parties, you cannot buy their components from anywhere. Small shops do not have access to those components, and it's already happening, you know. You wanna get yeah, just look at this, look. Man, using a putty knife, man. I think I'm going to be unique on the internet. But it works for our purpose. Yeah, this video is showing you that you can right now repair everything you have around you, with small exceptions, with tools that you already own. You don't have to buy special tools. You don't have to buy. I didn't bought a heat gun. You should use a heat gun for this type of operation to wick the glue. Who needs a heat gun when you have a hair dryer? Okay, so we have to pay attention to this right to repair stuff, because in the near future we might end up getting really screwed by manufacturers. They are already screwing us with the prices for fixing. And I think that's glass. I think I have to clean this desk really well after I'm shutting down the recording. GoPro, stop recording. Yeah, I stopped the recording. I didn't do anything special. I just went to the bathroom and washed my hands, because it was glass all over my hands from this meticulous operation. Yeah, so one of the major reasons that manufacturers don't want to allow anyone to fix their stuff, they say it's dangerous for the end user to do something like this. I'm just curious, how can it be dangerous? What the hell? Is it going to blow in my face? What does it mean it's dangerous? So it's safer to the manufacturer, so they use machines to repair this stuff. And what's inside the smartphone anyway? Dynamite? What can happen? What can happen? To be honest, I didn't thought I'm going to pull this through. It's the first time I'm trying to fix a phone. So look at this. This is the phone. It's still working, by the way. Yeah. I'm very proud of myself. I did it. I didn't have to pay, I think, $60 to $70 on a shop. I think I paid for the display and the glass around $50. Yes, it's genuine from Samsung, and I tested it. There's no difference between this one and the original one that was already installed on my phone, the shattered one. The brightness is the same. Everything works when you touch anywhere. Yeah, don't laugh at me, because it's the first time when I see something like this. I watched a YouTube video tutorial on the internet for this phone. I think it was on YouTube. So yeah, the dude who made that repair had gloves, had a heat gun, had special tools. He was not using something you can fix walls with. You know. Man, imagine the right to repair is going to get implemented in imagine Eastern Europe not being able to get components for expensive stuff. People are already buying iPhones and other shitty expensive phones through the bank, you know. They don't have the money to buy them cash. Imagine breaking your iPhone or your Samsung smartphone 5 months before you 5 months after you bought it. Is not paid, you know. Is not paid, and you already have to pay another amount of money equivalent to a new phone just to fix it. We have to be very careful with this right to repair, because I can't imagine, to be honest, I can't imagine why United States are allowing this to happen. United States is a country everybody dreams about, you know. Freedom is something really important in the United States. How can you say you're free if you buy something and then you cannot it's not yours anymore? Because if you break it, you cannot repair it. You cannot repair it yourself. You cannot repair it on the shop across the street, you know. You have to send it back to the manufacturer and pay more than you paid for the actual device just to fix it. Is that liberty? Is that freedom? The freedom means choices. In the first, I think this is the most precise definition of freedom. If you wanna express it in just one word: choices. You have to have the choice to do whatever you want with your device. If you wanna fix it yourself with a putty knife, with a hair dryer, you should be allowed to. Of course, there's nobody coming to put a gun on your head and say, man, put that putty knife down, you're not allowed to fix your own device. No, but they are not going to sell anything to anyone. You are not going to be able to get parts for these smartphones, for anything, for your TV, for your everything that you buy, you know. That is not freedom. That is not freedom, my friend. Okay, now I'm going to make a fool of myself. I didn't saw this look, I'm trying to put it back but I didn't saw that I have to pull the other plastic away. To be honest, I'm really proud of myself. I didn't expect it to to be successful. Power to the people. Look at this. Right now I'm seeing that I have to peel off that adhesive. Look at this. It's the first time I'm doing it. Do not laugh, please. Do not laugh at me. To be honest, this smartphone, it's really easy to repair. If I had to unscrew stuff, to be honest, I would not try to do it myself. I would not recommend people to do it. Just I would have gone to a nearby shop and that's it. Yeah, it's fixed. So what do you think? What do you think? We need the right repair. We need to be able to fix our stuff. Moment of truth. Is it going to work? Pretty easy fix, isn't it? Okay guys, so this is the video. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video is going to catch, I think, at least 10,000 views in the next 10 years. And let's hope we are going to be able to fix our stuff ourselves in the next 2 or 3 years. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.